Hello and welcome back to Term 2. I hope you guys have enjoyed a whole lot of family time and getting out and about and helping out with the family. And now, what you've all been waiting for. What are you going to be doing now that Term 2 is back and you're going to be working in the safety of your own home? Alright, this is a demonstration of how Khan Academy works. I'd like you to be working on Khan Academy while we're in lockdown because you get a lot more assistance and it gives you a personalized program. In theory, if you can complete this, you'll have no gaps in arithmetic. So earlier on, I sent you a link to Khan Academy, and I see some people had found that link and signed into it, but I'm guessing they didn't know what to do after that because we haven't done too many things. So when you've signed in, you click on the link like that, and then you, I didn't have it here, I'm just making the noise. And then then it'll bring you to a place where you've signed into Khan Academy. You'll have to sign in. You can just sign in using Google. You don't have to create another account, and you'll get to just an open mission thing. Then you have to know what you're doing. So you're going to click on this is my name. You'll have your name there, or you'll have your ID number or something, and you click on that, and you'll have a notification there. It should say 1 saying you got a notification. You click on that, and it should say something along the lines of Warwick Werder has set you up on an arithmetic program. Okay, so you click on that and you'll get to this page that sort of looks like this. Yours won't look like this because I've done some of it. Looks like they've added some stuff since I've mastered it. And they've got, I'd like us to have got Mastery Challenge or Mission. I don't think you will see this when you sign in because you haven't done it before. So I think you'll have course and you'll have mission over here on the left-hand side. You just click on the mission and you're going to get a series of questions. I think about 15 questions or 30 questions or something. And that's just to try and get a bit of an idea of what you know and what you don't know. I'd like you to try and do things without a calculator when you're doing it. And they've got a whole lot of stuff here, but you might have one question that does 3 of these, so you don't have to do every single thing. So let's say you click on this mission. So after you've done those initial questions, you're going to get this Mastery Challenge. You're going to have a few questions here. I'm going to try and answer it. Well, 13 over 10, that's 13 tenths, so that's 1.3, and I'm going to answer that correct. I've got 6 problems to do. The next question, I've got a plot for 6. So that's 0, 6. This is 12, 6, so 1. So 6, 6 is somewhere in the middle. I should just have to go 1, 2, 3, 4. But let's say I'm not too sure. And this one's comparing 1, 6. Which one is bigger? Which one's further from 0? And you'll be putting in your symbol. I think that one is bigger. But let's say I didn't know. Let's say I wanted some help. Oops. I can see a step-by-step solution if I got it wrong, or see how they answered the question. I was trying to look from the start. At some point, you should be able to click want some help. I'm going to get out of this at this stage so you can see. I want to go to the arithmetic mission. Click on this. This is what you should see. Let's see, you say you wanted to not do the mastery thing just now. I wanted to work on some negative symbols as opposites. So I click on practice. You can get videos here. So this time I want to know what negative C is. C is 0, so it's going to be 0. But let's say I don't know. I can click on this and I can either get a hint or I could watch some videos. Let's say I wanted to get a hint. So this one, 0, C is at 0. Where would negative C be? I'll get another hint. I'm not too sure still. C is 0, so negative C is negative 0, which is the opposite. So negative C is 0 as well. It seems this one's a bit strange because it's the same number. But if it was at 1, then negative C would be negative 1. Or at negative 2, negative C would be negative 2. And then you can see it. It's also 0 on the number line, so I'm going to put 0 here. And I got that one right. but I didn't. This one's grey. If I get it right, move that to negative E. E is 2.5, so negative E is negative 2.5. You'll see if I get a question right, it goes green, and if I use a hint or something, it's gone grey. That's sort of just trying to determine. So if it's gone grey, then